Hello guys, and welcome to a new video from Akinons. In this video, we will talk about comments in Python. Comments can be a very useful tag that can be used to describe the functioning of your code. For example, if you create a code that adds two numbers, so let's say I create this code add and I say a comma b and I simply return a plus b. So now your code is working fine. But what if you're working with other developers and they do not understand this code? Then you can make use of comments. So before the definition of this function, you can say this function adds two numbers. This will help the developer understand the basic meaning of this function. And you can also give a comment inside the function saying that this function returns an integer. So now your developer will also understand the return type of this function. Likewise, comments should be derived to be very specific. So the three types of comments are a single line comment like what I have used now, the multi-line comment and the docstring comment. So to initiate a multi-line comment, you need to use the upper slash thrice and write any lines of code. So let's say this is the comment, welcome to Hackinons. And if I press slash and now if I run the program, as you can see, these lines of code are not getting executed in the main code and they are being commented as multi-line commands. You can also make use of something called as docstrings, which need to be defined at the starting of a function. So let me create this docstrings and say this function adds two integers and returns an integer. So now there's a way you can access this comment using Python code. So let me show you that. So what I have to do is I have to say print and then I have to say the function name dot underscore underscore. I have to say doc underscore underscore, and if I run this program, you can see the comment is visible on your Python code and it says this function adds two integers and returns an integer which is come from here. So this method can be useful while debugging so that you know what your function really does. So likewise, we can make use of some inbuilt function present in Python. For example, if I say list.doc and if I run this program, as you can see, this comment is defined by the Python developers and it says built-in mutable sequence. If no argument is given, the constructor creates a new empty list. So basically you can access the comment of any function created using the dunder doc method. So that's it from this quick video where we understood what are comments in Python. If you like this video, do drop a like and subscribe to the Hackinons YouTube channel